Okay, so problem 2 tayo, class. So, automobile A starts from O and accelerates at a constant rate of 0.75 meters per second squared. A short time later, it is passed by a bus B which is traveling in the opposite direction at a constant speed of 6 meters per second. Knowing that bus B passes point O 20 seconds after automobile A started from there, so determine when and where the vehicles passed each other. Okay, so meron daw tayong automobile A na nag-starts from point O. Okay. So, and accelerate at constant rate of 0.75 meters per second squared. Okay. So, tingnan muna natin yung mga given class. So, from point O, ang velocity ni A, okay, we have given. So, for car A, ang velocity natin at point O is, so pag sinabing starts from O, we can say na ang velocity niyan is 0. Okay? So, initial velocity ni A is 0. And accelerate at constant rate of 0.75 meters per second squared. So, ang acceleration natin kay automobile A is 0.75 meters per second squared. Okay. So, a short time later, it is passed by bus B. So, after some time, so, meron ding bus at the opposite direction. Okay. Si A to the right, you can say na si B to the left since opposite direction. So, at short time later, nagsalubong si A at saka B at this point. Okay. So, ang velocity ni B, okay, dito ko na lang ilagay, no? So, ang velocity ng bus B is constant, okay? Constant siya na 6 meters per second. We can say also, pag sinabi natin constant, ang acceleration ni bus B ay 0 since constant speed tayo. Now, knowing that bus B, okay, passes point O 20 seconds after automobile started from A. Okay, so, si bus B daw, he passes the point O. Okay, we can say that ito yung magiging initial position, tama? Initial position ni bus B. So, bus B passes point O, sabi niya dito, 20 seconds. Okay, after the automobile started from point A. Kuha. So, 20 seconds na pass niya na yung point O. So, ang hinahanap sa atin class, okay, is the when. So, pag sinabi natin when, ito yung time. Okay? And where, we can say that that is yung position niya. No? So, we can say the position of the A and B, okay, from our reference dito na lang sa point O, we can denote that as X. So, ano yung value ng X? Okay? Or yung position niya, okay, where the vehicles pass each other. Okay? So, for our solution, using again yung ating formulas, so, ang hinahanap is ano yung time. So, we can say yung time dito at this point kung saan sila nagsalubong. So, dun muna tayo kay bus automobile A. So, for our solution, we have initial velocity, acceleration, and time which is unknown. So, meron tayong dalawang unknown dito. So, let's see kung paano natin siya isosolve. So, using our formula, X is equal to, we have XO plus VOT plus 1/2 AT squared. Yung XO natin dito, class, since ito ang reference natin, we can say that is 0. So, therefore, ang value ng X natin would be initial velocity times time plus 1/2 AT squared. So, value of X is equal now to, so initial velocity class is 0 times time. So, 0 na rin ito plus we have 1/2 AT squared. So, 1/2, ang acceleration ni A, so, automobile A muna tayo, class, no? So, 0.75 times, we have yung time, which is unknown. This is T squared. So, simplifying, we have the value of X is equal to 0.375 T squared. Okay. So, we have two unknowns. Kapag two unknowns, kailangan natin din ng dalawang equation. So, we can denote this as our equation 2. Equation 1, sorry. Okay, so for equation 2, i-analyze naman natin is si bus B. Okay. So for bus B, sabi niya dito, si bus B, 20 seconds siyang yung pagtakbo niya, yung time niya from this point hanggang sa point O to 20 seconds. So how do we solve for the time na nandito siya at this point kung saan sila nagsalubong? Okay. So we need this distance. Okay, in terms of x. So we can say na yung total distance from this point, ito yung total distance na tinravel ni bus B in the span of 20 seconds. So I think we can solve for the distance, okay, x sub B, since given naman yung time na 20 seconds. Tama? So for bus B, so ang tinakbo niya, distance traveled, okay, for 20 seconds is we have, so using our formula, XO plus initial velocity times time plus 1/2 AT squared. Since constant ang velocity natin, 0 ang ating acceleration. So, since dito ang reference natin ulit sa position ni bus B, yung XO mo, 0 ulit yan. So, ang velocity mo is 6 meters per second. So, ang distance travel ni bus B in the span of 20 seconds is 6 meters per second times, ano yung time niya natin? 20 seconds. So, distance travel in 20 seconds of bus B, we have 120 meters. So, we can say that this is 120 meters. Now, in terms of the value of x, we can say na itong distance na ito, this is xb minus x, right? At yung distance na yan is yun yung tinravel ni bus B noong when they pass each other. So, parehas na yung value ng time natin dito at this point. So, we can say that yung distance travel ni bus B at time t, kung saan doon sila nagsalubong, so we can say that ayan, xb minus x is equal to, so using our formula, so xo plus vot plus 1/2 AT squared. Now again, since bus B ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, ang acceleration natin ay 0, so mawawala sa equation nito. Pati yung xo natin, 0 din. So we can say that xb minus x is equal to vot. So meron na tayong value ng x sub b, which is 120. So 120 meters minus x is equal to VOT. So, ang initial velocity natin kay bus B is 6 meters. Tama? So, times 60 yan. So, ito yung magiging equation 2 natin. Solving simultaneously for the value of x and t. So, maybe we can ilabas natin yung value ng x. Kunin natin yung value ng x kay equation 2. So, we have x is equal to, silipan natin sa kabila, so 120 minus 60. Then, substitute natin yung equation 1 dito sa equation 2. So, maybe, ito na lang yung magiging equation 2 natin. So, yung value ng x is 0. We have 0.375 t squared. That is now equal to 120 minus 60. So, solving for t, we have quadratic equation. Dalawang value ng t. Yung makukuha natin dito. So, we can solve this using your quadratic formula. So, i-arrange na lang natin to. We have 0.375 t squared, okay, plus 60 minus 120 is equal to 0. So, using quadratic equation, quadratic formula, I mean, we have t is equal to, we have negative 6 plus and minus the square root of, so, square root of b squared minus 4ac. So, ang b natin is 6. So, 6 squared minus 4ac times 4. Ang a natin is 0.375. Ang c natin is negative 120. Divided by 2a. So, 2 times 0.375. So, we have two values here. Okay. So, yung positive value ang kukunin ninyo. So, sa calculator ninyo, meron ding shift solve ng quadratic equation dyan. Okay. That's mode 5. So solve for t class, we have t is equal to 11.596 seconds. Then substitute natin yung value ng t dun sa value ng x. We can solve for x. So x is equal to, we have 0.375 times 11.596 squared. So value ng x natin class, we have 50. So 50.424 meters. Okay, so this will be our final answer.